Hi, today I will show you how to decorate in an easy way a paper clip like these two that I decorated before with two paper hearts. You will need a paper heart punch, a piece of paper, and then we will glue together our two pieces with a glue like this one. Okay, and then press down this on your piece of paper and leave it to dry for some minutes. Okay, and at the end your paper clip will be ready, and they are so nice, so easy to make, and you can use this paper clip like bookmarks or to decorate if you have a planner or you have a journal. You can create you can decorate your journal or your planner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.